Abidjan, a small fishing village in 1896, it became a town in 1903. Some years later, Abidjan is now the economic capital and the largest city of Côte d'Ivoire. It's the country's major urban center with skyscrapers rising above the Abidjan Lagoon. Abidjan district has several paved streets and boulevards linking the towns between them and the district across the country. Abidjan has a network of urban bypasses. River transport is already consistent, many boat boxes connecting the various neighborhoods of the city. Abidjan is home to the most of the superstars from the country, which one of them is Didier Drogba, perhaps best remembered for his domineering time at Chelsea. The striker was born in Abidjan and represented his country 104 times, scoring 65 goals. He captained the national team Les Elephants for 8 years from 2006 and retired as the nation's all-time top goal scorer. Les Elephants won the 1992 African Cup of Nations and again in 2015, both by beating Ghana on penalties. Abidjan is also the bridgehead of the country's only highway, linking the city to the administrative and political capital, Yamoussoukro. I'm sorry about the pronunciation, by the way. It is also known that Abidjan is one of the most populous French-speaking cities in Africa. According to the 2014 census, Abidjan's population was 4.7 million, which is 20% of the overall population of the country. And this also makes it the 6th most populous city in Africa after Lagos, Cairo, Kinshasa, Dar es Salaam, and Johannesburg. There are two kinds of taxis in Abidjan: the red-colored taxi meter, which can travel throughout the city, and the woro yellow and green, blue or orange color depending on the commune, which are limited to a neighborhood. Since 2000, Côte d'Ivoire has experienced a sharp rise in drug trafficking. Drug dens arise mainly in informal settlements, and there has been a recent spike in demand among unemployed youth and Ivorian vagrants. The Ivorian police increasingly focus on the fight against trafficking and drug use in the district of Abidjan. A report by the Office of the UN says West Africa plays an increasingly important role in the transit of cocaine to Latin America and Europe. In May 2007, 7 drug houses were dismantled and 191 people arrested, including a military officer. Overall, the nightlife in Abidjan is considered to be one of the liveliest in Africa. The district has an abundance of nightclubs, outdoor areas, and go-go bars. These entertainment platforms provide a musical pipeline encompassing many DJs, Coupa de Color, and in lesser amounts other local and international varieties. So my brother, if you enter Abidjan, enjoyment no dey finish, so no go do pass yourself. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you find this video very informative, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. And I will see you when next time I talk to you. God.